Hi everyone, welcome back at the Unsalted Kitchen. Today, come and join me to make Bavarian cream puffs. So, let's get started. In a medium sauce pot, mix your cup of sugar and a 1.5 cup of flour with a whisk. Then gradually add the first 2 cups of milk and mix well until there are no lumps. Then add the 4 remaining cups of milk. In a separate bowl, whisk 6 egg yolks and add to the pot and a tablespoon of vanilla, then mix well. Trust me, this is the easiest method of making cream puffs filling and you will not regret it once you've tried it. Bring mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, stirring constantly until mixture becomes thick and has the consistency of pudding. Once you executed the perfect pudding texture, turn off the heat and add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pan, stirring until well combined and butter is melted. Then let us transfer to a metal or glass bowl to cool completely. I put mine in the fridge to help speed up the cooling process. Congratulations, folks! We have just created a vanilla custard. This is heavenly on its own, but to give it a Bavarian cream texture, it needs to be a little lighter in texture. We'll come back to that later. Now, moving on to making puffs dough. First, in a saucepan, bring a cup of water and half cup of unsalted butter to a boil. Then add a cup of flour to the boiling liquid all at once and stir until a ball forms. Transfer the dough into a mixing bowl with a paddle fitted and let the mixture to cool for 5 minutes. After the flour mixture has cooled for 5 minutes, start beating in the eggs on 2 setting speed, 1 at a time, mixing well after each egg. Mixture should be smooth and glossy after you beat in your 4th egg. Place dough by spoonful. I use a small ice cream scoop to get the almost perfect round ball on a parchment-covered baking sheet and bake for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Remove cream puffs from the oven and let it completely cool. While puffs are cooling, we're going to turn the custard into Bavarian cream. We would do this by taking a quarter cup of heavy whipping cream, whipping it until soft peaks form, and gently folding the whipped cream into the custard mixture. Make sure only use half of the custard for later use or other use. I use the leftover to make a batch of Japanese custard bread. Then let us place cream into a piping bag to be used into cream puffs. Cut cream puffs halfway through the center with a knife and pipe in your easy Bavarian cream. Sprinkle tops with powdered sugar and enjoy! There you have it, folks! If you ever wanted to make perfect cream puffs at home, today is your lucky day because I just showed you exactly how to make them completely from scratch in the comfort of your own kitchen. And guess what? It's not even that hard. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and thank you for watching. Bye for now!